All right, this problem we're trying to find the price of a washer and a dryer, and we know a couple things about them. One, that they combined do cost $1,000, and that the cost of the washer is 3 times the cost of the dryer. So what I do in these problems, I'll typically write the two unknowns I want. So I want to know the washer price and the dryer price. Now I know that the washer is 3 times the cost of the dryer, but I don't know what the dryer costs. So what I'll do is I'll make the dryer just be X, so I don't know what it is. Now the washer in this case is 3 times as much, so it's 3 times X. So always good to pick out what two variables you want to know about and then write simple expressions for them. Sometimes there are things like this with 3x. It could be, if it was $50 more, it could be x plus 50. But in this case, we have x and 3x. Then we'll use this thing that says these two things together cost me $1,000. So I know the washer, which is 3x, plus the dryer, which is 1x, has to equal $1,000. And then I can just solve this. So 3x plus 1x is 4x, equals $1,000. And then I'll divide both sides by 4. So x is going to equal 250. Now this is where it's really nice, because up here we kind of define what each of these things were. So the dryer is x, so the dryer is going to cost me $250. And if I wanted to find the price of the washer, this problem doesn't make us find it, so we're really done. But if I wanted to, I could just say 3 times 250, which is 750. So the dryer is 250 and the washer is 750. But in this case, we just want the cost of the dryer, so I just put 250.